Okay, we are going to solve this equation with three variables. And of course, three variables mean we need three equations. So when I start with this, I usually start by kind of labeling my variables. And a lot of times it's in my head more than anything. But I'm going to do it physically here because, of course, I'm going to be recurring these as equations 1, 2, and 3 as we go back and forth. And our goal is to start with 3, turn them into 4 and 5 so we can solve a two-variable system. So when I look at this, I have to decide what I'm going to start with. And usually what I'm looking for is I'm looking for opposite signs if anything's already matched up, but nothing is. But I can see like that, those x's. I have a negative and some other ones, and I have a single, which always is easy to multiply for. So I think I'm going to work on eliminating that x. Well, if it wants to. Maybe it doesn't want to be eliminated. So I'm going to start with equations 1 and 2 to create my equation 4, okay? So when I look at 1 and 2, and I've decided I'm eliminating x, and there's no right or wrong answer here, I need to times equation 2 by 2, okay? So I get 2x, I'm leaving this one as is, and then the second one I'm going to times by 2, so 2x plus 4y minus 6z equals 8. Okay, and those cancel out. Oh, so does that. Ooh, everything went. Okay, what does this mean? It means the same thing that is true when you are working with a two-variable system. Everything just canceled out. This is all reals because it's true. Had this all canceled out and this been false, so like 0 equals 7, then it would be no solution. But in this case, because it canceled out and it's true, this is all reals or infinite solution or whatever they feel like calling it that day. Okay. And what that means is that these are the same three lines, same three plane in this case. But anyways, so if I went through it, and I can kind of see that if I go back up and look, oh, if I times the second one, I got the same thing. Well, if I come down here to this, if I times that middle one by a 4, they're all going to be the same as well. And I can see that like if I divide that 3 by 2, a negative 2, I'm going to get back to 1. So then as I'm looking, I'm like, oh, okay, I see that. So this is all reals because of the same equation.